So for today's video, share ko lang sa inyo ang ginawa namin sa Philip Sanctuary. Sa activity na ito, talaga naman nag-enjoy ako, lalo na yung mga kasama ko sa aming organization na talaga naman lahat na excited at natuwa.
So ito na yung part na magsisimula na yung actual team building. Team building ng mga supervisors natin for admin. Ayan, nag-e-enjoy. Naman, nag-aakit sila ng mga guhol. Ito naman yung nagsa-centipede race na sila. Nagpapasahan sila ng kahoy.
Nang wala sa oras.
Ito naman, nagkakaroon na sila ng rope course, no? Mga rope course na ginagawa nila. Ayan na, nandito na tayo sa courses na may kasamang tubig. Ayan na, nasa water rafting na ang kanilang activity.
Team building ito. Of course, meron tayong natutunan. But before I share what I've learned in this activity, ito nga pala si Hero, the Golden Retriever.
So one of the things that I've learned, once in a while you have to assess yourself. Kailangan maintindihan mo what are their strengths, ano yung mga things na kailangan mo improve, mga items na kailangan mo enhance for you to be a better person. And once you're done improving yourself, no, it's now time na you get to collaborate, check with others, kung ano naman yung pwede mong maitulong, ma-share ng mga strength mo. No? Everyone else na nakapaligid sa'yo nag-i-improve din. So once you've enhanced yung mga kasama mo na impluwensyahan mo to be better as well, so mas gaganda ngayon ang collaboration mo. Whether with your family, with your friends, with your workmates, or colleagues, no? Mas magiging maganda ang relationship nyo with others. So isa yan sa mga natutunan ko. It's very important na you get to have a good, better relationship with the people that surrounds you. Thank you for watching. So don't forget to subscribe and like and share our video to your friends and to as many as you want para they will also learn from our simple topic. So once again, I am ASV, also known as Mr. Positive Saying. Let's make a difference and be great at all times. See you on the next one.
Sa sobrang saya ng aming araw, may mga napaiyak pa. Mga tears of joy nga naman. Everyone is really happy and ready to share ang kanilang mga learning. Lahat ay naging grateful sa event na to at sa pagsasama naming lahat. Well anyway, see you!
Hello! Ito pala si Golden!
Nilalagyan na namin.